Oh, okay. Zhia, what is this? What is this? Oh, good job. Oh, how about this one? What is this?
Pig.
Oh, pig.
Cat.
Oh, how about this one? What is this?
Dog.
Wow, good job. How about this one?
Alphabet.
Elephant? What is this?
May heart commotion.
Nainjikan.
What is this?
Alphabet.
Elephant.
Nainjigan bro.
Oh, how about this one?
Nainjikan yung ilong.
How about this one?
Oh my God.
Oh, how about this one?
Window alphabet.
Oh, yes. Elephant. Oh, how about this one? What is this?
Mice.
Good job. Oh, how about this one?
I got your tail. Come here. Wait.
Yay!
How about this one?
All take turns. And since Ellie is our guest, she can wear the tutu first.
What is that?
Monkey.
Yay!
How about this one? What's next?
Ice.
Ice. What's next? Ice daw. Okay, how about this one? Oh, what is that?
It's big.
What? Oh, it's a
You think?
tiger.
Yay!
Is this a tiger?
Oh, tiger.
Ay, it's a lion.
Ay, lion.
It's a
It's a
lion.
lion.
How about this one? Zhia.
Zhia, what's that?
Zhia, what is this?
Bubble.
Oh, octopus.
Good job, octopus. Oh, and then
Chubby apple boy.
zombie octopus. Okay, how about this one?
Nasa siya. Parang Barbie.
What is this?
Big thing.
What?
Turtle.
Oh,
Turtle.
good
Okay.
job.
Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye.
Bye bye.
Here, bye bye, guys.
Bye bye, guys. Animals.
Oh, what is that, Zhia?
Ganito mag-
Animals.
Many, many.
Yay.
Oh, show it to mommy.
Animals.
Animals. Oh, show it to mommy.
Mommy,
Okay.
animals.
Yeah.
Cat. Cat. Cat.
Okay, say it again, oh.
Cat. Pig. Dog. Alphabet. Dada. Tito. Monkey. Daddy. Mice. Rabbit. Octopus. Monkey. Mice.
Good job! Yay!
How many animals?
Bye-bye!